Malacanang assured President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. is focused on the investigation of the Santa Maria to Cabagan Bridge that collapsed last week. According to PCO Undersecretary and Palace Press Officer Claire Castro, the authorities will conduct further investigation on the incident. Results of the preliminary investigation indicated an under-design in the structure of the bridge, which means that only light vehicles can pass through the bridge. The government guaranteed all individuals responsible for the incident will be held accountable.
Ang sabi nga po, hindi lamang po ang nakaraang administrasyon ang pwedeng pananagutin dito. Lahat po, hanggang sa ngayon, kung sino po ang maaaring naging may liability dito, kung meron man, lahat po yan ay dapat managot.